Hey everyone, how are you? Today I am showing you some awesome tricks about VS Code that you can run Jupyter Notebook in your VS Code. So first I tell about what is a Jupyter Notebook. A Jupyter Notebook basically is a web-based text editor where you can run the Python code like the mainly oriented to data science, but you can use it for your main programming purposes also. So let's check it out. What is a Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook is very much essential for the data scientists and AI researchers also because they are used it a lot. It's like a web-based application, so you can run it any OS, even in your mobile also. I I can make a video on how you can run this Jupyter Notebook in your mobile phone. So Jupyter Notebook basically is an open source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code and equation visualization and narrative text. So I can show you something that uh, take a example like it's a collaboratory. So here I make a image classification model which can detect various dance forms from the images. So I just give you a look how Jupyter notebooks look like. So basically it contains this type of texts where you can give description like what is your challenge, from where you get the get data set, what is the description. You can add images also, and here is the like here you can code, like you can give the live code. So that's the advantage. Now if you get a sneak peek, like you know what is a Jupyter notebook. So now let's I show how you can run the Jupyter notebook in your VS Code. So first you need to open the VS Visual Studio Code. After opening the VS Code, I go to the folder where I have the or else I create a new folder for demo, so you can understand it better. So for the running the Jupyter notebook, you need to install a extension in in your VS Code. So basically this extension is called Jupyter. It is created by Don Jamani. It has the 6,41,000. So it is, but it has something con, like it is no longer being maintained, and so like it's don't get updated, but you can still use it because it is so useful that you can run in VS Code without out of the VS Code and get all the features like automatic intelligence and live code editing also. So this is a much good thing about this. So first now create a test. So for creating a Jupyter notebook, you just need to add this test or like everything .ipynb. So it's basically the extension of Jupyter notebook. So now it is started. So for this, like let's print something. Now you can run the cell. Now as you saw that it is run. if I do it like now, you can see that you easily do this type of task. You can do code and it is executed line by line. Also you can add text, so that's a plus point. So this is the video of today, how you can run Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. It's so simple and easy that without being out of VS Code you can run Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. That's I think helpful for data scientists and AI researchers, but for mainstream programmers you can also use it because it is inline text code notebooks, so you can practice your code there and get some good results like a visualization of algorithm and this stuff. So that's all for now, and thank you very much for being with me, and I give the all links in the description. If you have any comment, please give a comment, and please subscribe, like and share if you find this is useful. Thank you very much.